Friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we will learn here in this video about how we can change the data in the data frame object using the pandas library. And in Python there is the use of pipe function. So what is the use of pipe function? So that we can pass the function as the arguments. Okay, and we can create our own user defined function, and there we can change our data. So we will change the data also in the function. So let's start with some programming concept here. First of all, in Python we create the function using def, and the change underscore name is the user defined function, and this is my custom function. Okay, and there the argument I have passed as dummy variable. You can take any name, either arg or any variable name. This is your choice, and with the help of this argument array name, so here name array, I am changing it to Vinay, Daksh and Deepak. So the index are 3, index size is 3, and this custom function is returning the argument which is passed in the function. So see the data in which we are defining the name. So name, let's suppose the data which will pass inside the data frame is with the values like Rohit, okay, Kavit, Ram, and the index size will be same when we are changing the key values as well as inside the data also. So the array index will be the same, otherwise it will give the error. And in Python we import the library, so we import it as import pandas as pd. So pd is the alias name for pandas library, and pandas library is used for the data analysis, for use for the manipulation of data. Here we are manipulating, we are changing, customizing the data. Okay, so from the pandas library we are calling the data frame. In data frame the d and f will be capital. So data frame is the function from the pandas library, and that is taking as data as input, and it is assigned with the data frame object. So with the help of data frame object we are calling the pipe function. So what is the use of this? Pipe is basically integrating the data where we are we are changing the function with the help of name. So name here is the array, and we are printing the object, data frame object here. Okay, let's run it. So it is not giving any, not printing the output in the console. So here the indentation error is there. So in Python we have to keep in mind the indentation also. And here I am keeping the second key also inside the data as age, and age array would be anything. I have kept it with the index size of 3, 20, 45, 30. Let's run it. Not giving the output because there is indentation error. So how to resolve that? Yes, we have to remove the spaces. There are spaces inside the data. So I have removed the space because the def function is also not has space, and I have removed the spaces for the below line also. See, after running this, the indentation error removed, and the output is you are seeing in the console. The index size 0, 1, 2, and the name is changed as I'm getting the changed values of name. Okay, thank you.